Okay, punters, so given it's blowing 17 to 21 knots at there today, I thought it was a good day to stay home and maybe do something a little bit different and do some maintenance. Show you how maybe I might do a bit of maintenance on something, which is a bit of strange for this because this generally is going to be a story about how not to do things. But anyway, as you can see here, I've got all my fishing pliers here. Some look pretty rusty. So I'm going to try a go at trying to clean some of them up. Yeah, these ones, look, I can just open and close them. So they're not the greatest. These ones are okay, but as you can see, they've still got a fair bit of rust on them. A pair of scissors. I think they're just about cactus, but we'll put them through the go. These ones, I can just do them. So we'll see how they go. These are okay at the moment. These are only a couple months old, but as you can see, they're in pretty ordinary condition for something that's only a couple of months old. A bit disappointed about how quickly they've rusted, but they're just a bunning special, so can't expect too much. These ones, I think these ones are cactus. I can't even move them. So anyway, these ones again, I can move them a little bit. We'll see how they go. So what we're going to do is, apparently if you put them in vinegar, it takes some of the rust off. So just got a Pyrex thing that we use for chemicals in the shed, so that one's okay to use. Generally don't use stuff from inside. Old Gatorade bottle, take the top of it off. Can use, so I might not be able to do all these in one go. We'll have a go. We'll do what we can anyway. So let's just take the top off that so I can soak the pliers in them. Chuck that back in. Take this. So a couple of containers there. Close it up before I hurt myself on it. Okay, so we might do them in there. Given those two are together, they're about the same size, we'll put them in there. Just out of curiosity, yeah, they can go in there as well. And these two can go together in there. They don't really fit, do they? Does that fit in there? That fits in there, and they fit in there a bit better. Yeah. Okay. So what we're going to do, some white vinegar, simple Woolworths Essentials white vinegar, and we're just going to fill them up. So we're only going to fill them up until just before the plastic. Apparently it can impact the plastic a little bit, so we'll leave them there, put that aside. We'll fill this one up. So about there, and then we'll fill this one up. Obviously getting the handles, some of the handles as I'm doing it, but I need a little bit more on that one. Which one's got more in it? That one or that one? That one. Maybe I just stick, given they're the only ones left, maybe I just stick them in there like that. A tiny bit more then. Okay, so then you leave them for 24 hours. So see how it goes. Okay, Jono, seeing how all our pliers are all rusty and hard to open and close, So I did some research, and apparently if you put them in vinegar, it can get some of the rust off. So you're supposed to leave them in there for 24 hours in the vinegar. See, white vinegar. You're supposed to leave them in there for 24 hours. They've been in there for a bit over 3. Shows how much patience I have. So let's see whether they're any better. Oh, it's a bit better. I couldn't move these before. We might open that up a bit to put back in. These ones already worked okay anyway. Oh, look at that. Oh, look, it is coming off a bit. Look. So, oh, yeah, look at that. Wow. So it's working, just needs a bit, probably should leave it a bit longer. These are the... Scissors. Huh? Try the scissors as well. Yeah, look at them. So, they're going okay. These ones will be the real test, one of the tests. They were pretty ordinary, weren't they? They're still pretty ordinary at the moment. Okay, well, we'll leave them a bit longer. I did these ones anyway. Yeah, they're coming a bit cleaner. So they're not too bad. What about these ones?
Weren't they real bad?
They're not too bad now. Getting there.
Cutter on them. It was so rusty it didn't cut.
Yeah. Bit of rust coming off that. Better. And these ones I couldn't move at all. I think these are beyond repair.
Let's try them.
Gonna try. Oh, okay. I think they're cactus. I'm tempted to just go throw them in the bin now.
Leave them there for a year.
For a year. So, how much longer are we going to leave them?
21 hours.
Why?
Because we've left them in there for 3.
Okay.